These mix together, crush together until it's one whole piece.
What can you do?
Crush together, mix into a piece. Squeeze with both hands. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze around my hand. Squeeze tight around my hand. Okay. Inside this cup, this thing.
Why?
It's gonna have a chemical reaction.
Oh!
See? Put the volcano inside. Okay, wait ah. First we put baking soda. And then this you put some.
Water.
No, this vinegar. Okay, Gigi, you pour some vinegar inside. Take the vinegar and pour inside the hole. Oh, Gigi. Ooh, look at your look at your volcano. You see a volcano? Is it erupting? Look at your volcano. Oh, your volcano's erupting.
Later the water going to break the volcano with these.
You see the vinegar's reacting with the baking soda, you see?